So when you reach this place, what next thing for you to do is that you will enter all necessary things, documents, your details onto this platform. Then you will firstly register for your, what is it called, look at this place, this, all the first one is first name, last name, and make sure that everything is written in small letter. Let everything be written in small letter. Please don't start with capital letter at all. Small letter. And then you write here the password you want to use, and you purchase. When you reach this place, you will see where it is written. Look at this place, the coupon code. If you reach this place, it will display where the word coupon code. So this coupon code is what you will use as a registration fee. So you will buy it from their seller, which is 4k. Please, if you don't buy, if you need the coupon code, try to visit me or DM me, or you contact me directly, or you will definitely receive it. So in this area, when you open the coupon code and you put the coupon code there, you use my referral if you use my referral ID, this is my referral ID. If you use it, you'll be given immediately an immediate 3,600 naira or 3,500. Now that is the registration bonus. So, and then after that, you can be completing the, so let's follow this step. Now let's say I want to register this person right now. So you see, I want to register. Can you see? So I want to register. Can you see the details right now? All right, let's go and register. So I've put the name, the everything, the email, the username, and every necessary things. So I've put it. So the next thing, let me confirm. You will click on this place. Make sure you click on this place, very important. You click on this place, very important. Please try to know that it's very important. Sorry, make sure you click on this place to verify. If you don't click on that place, they won't be able to answer you. They will tell you that you should accept their terms and conditions. Sure, you get. All right, let's click on create your account. Create your, I want to verify if truly I've registered the woman, so that I will not make the mistake. I want to verify a number that is with me. All right, okay, 79. Okay. All right, let me create account for the woman. Wow, excellent. Look at what it is written. Look at up here, you will see what is written. This place, account created. Can you see? So successfully account has been created. So congratulations to the person right now. All right, let's go to login. Let's log in now. You click here to log in. So let me log in. Okay, I don't want you people to get the password. Let me log in now. Guys, I want to log in right now, so I've put all the email and the password. Let's log in. Let's see why. All right, guys, this is the platform. This is how it looks like. So I don't want to save the password, because if I save the password, it is not my phone, I just help the person to register with me. So in this case, when you want to do, you firstly be giving 5 USD, 5 US dollar. So immediately you were giving, you can now be doing the daily trading things, which is number one. The first thing you'll be doing here, look at this place. You can see where the word PS trading earnings. How do you earn from this? Now listen to me carefully. You will go up here where there is 3 dots up there. Look at it. Yes, you click on it. So when you click on it, coming guys, okay, let's click on it. Now look at where it is written. Here it is written trading share 20. So you click on it, share 20. So when you click on it, all right, so you now scroll down. All right, see the reason. Look at this place, look at down here. Sorry, the app I'm using takes a longer to understand very well. Look at this place. You can click on anyone, but I prefer you people to click on the one that is on YouTube channel. So you click on that YouTube channel. So once you click on it, let allow it to load. So when it is low, you cannot go back. All right, you can go back like that because of your data. You can, if you like, you watch it, or you like it, but if you like you don't like it. Now you have watched it. Now let's see. Now what is the next thing? Now you now refresh. So you will do what? You will refresh. Let's refresh, or you click on the 3 dots again at the right top corner. You click it, then you click on the okay, you can refresh. Let's refresh. Can you see? Immediately you refresh. But in case of another phone, because this one is a big phone, so is a tab. So in case of another phone, if you are using like all those tablet phone, I mean all those normal Android phone, so instead of you to refresh, you will just click on that 3 dots and click on trending. So it will take you to where you will log in again. So we click you. If you save your password into the Google Chrome, it will definitely upload login automatically, or you put your details and login. So if you see this place now, everything is being added back. If you check this place, everything is being added. It is $1 has been added to it. That is number one. Now another number two where to earn is this area through what's it called, in direct referral. You can earn. Once you earn from the referral, this one is a new platform. It's not my own. I'm just using this one to do something. Later I'll show you my own. So this one, you can refer somebody. Once you refer one person, you'll be giving $6. So you get, that is that. And how they calculate their own dollar is 500 naira per $1. So you get, so you bless. Now another aspect to earn is by ebook sales. Look at it here, ebook sales. So when you sell ebook, you can, in this place, you earn massively. But to sell it, if you know where you can sell it online, in fact, you can earn massively. You can even sell through it through if you connect it with Amazon KDB. So the more you are earning in KDB as well, the more you are earning from this. So that is that about that. And also about this one, indirect referrals. This indirect referrals also allows you to earn those people you refer, if they refer also, you will be earning from them. At least you'll be earning 4 cents. Okay, so you get, it's not up to $1, but you're earning 4 cents, at least 4 or 5 cents out of half of $1. That is that. That is it. All right, that is that about that for now. So if you have any question, I will drop the very link, my link to for the description button. So so go and check it, and you click on it, and you can use that as a way to enter to this platform. So when you somebody refer you, it's very important, because if you are referred by somebody, it will be giving, you will be giving bonus immediately. And another thing you should understand is that if you are not referred by somebody, I mean, if you are not reading, clicking on that trending share, you will not get it automatically every day. So until you click on that, until you get your $1. Thank you, thank you. Please, if you have any question, just click on the description and ask me any question you want. So thank you very so much. Thank you. You are blessed.